Okay, I just got these from Amazon, and we're going to try them out, see how they work. So this right here, what you do is you put your AirTag in this, and then your kid can wear it on his wrist. You see that? So you just got to get it in there. I think you just smush it in like that. Yeah, that's it. And then, bam, Bob's your uncle. There you go. That's it. You can tighten it here, but that's perfect for a regular person. Put that on your kid's arm or his leg, and you always know where he's at. So check it out. There she be. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? What do you think? I like it. Yeah. Get it out, you just go like this. Bam, done. Put her in. Again, very simple. Just like that. Now if you want to put it in the other one, check it out. Let's get the other one. You don't like purple, you got black. So you just set it in there like that. Push her in. And it's on there. You can twist it around so you can get the Apple logo the way you want it, like maybe that way. And then when you put it on, bam, there you are. You're ready to go. Apple logo. Now you know exactly where I'm at all times. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.